In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Bluebeam. Let's get started. As you might already know, Bluebeam is a powerful tool used extensively in the field of architecture, engineering, and construction for document management and collaboration. Today we'll walk through how you can upload files into this platform with ease. To begin with, you'll want to head over to Bluebeam's login page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the link that directs you to the Bluebeam sign-in page. Once you're there, take a moment to observe the layout. Get comfortable with the site if it's your first time, ensuring you're in the right place. Signing into the correct account is crucial for maintaining your workflow and accessing the documents you need. Next, you'll notice a button labeled Next. Give this a click. It's straightforward and will navigate you through the login process. After that, it's time to enter your password. Ensure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Bluebeam account. A quick tip: if you find yourself accessing Bluebeam often, save your password in a secure password manager for quicker sign-in next time. After keying in your password, go ahead and click Sign In. Doing so will grant you access to Bluebeam's main interface, where all the magic happens. Now look for the section labeled Studio Projects. This is where you can manage your existing projects and initiate new ones. Clicking on it will bring you to a new page with further options. Once there, you'll see the Create button. Head over there and give it a click. This button allows you to start a new project, making it the first step to getting your files uploaded. You'll be prompted to enter a project name next, which serves to identify your project clearly. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later on, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. After naming your project, hit Create once more. This will finalize your new project setup, preparing it for file uploads. Now you're almost ready to upload your files. Click on Upload. You'll then be prompted to select your files. Choose the files you wish to upload from your local drive. A handy tip: organizing your files beforehand can save you a lot of time during this step. After selecting your files, you'll need to click on Files. This step is a confirmation that tells Bluebeam these files are the ones you want to upload. The final step is to click Continue. This will commence the upload process, allowing Bluebeam to absorb the files into the project space you've just created. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded files into Bluebeam.